Good day everyone. My name is Franz Christian M. Katuday, a student from BSIT 1K Labirais, and I am a member of Group 3. The report aims to provide a comprehensive analysis of the PUPVC site announcement system, which is a crucial tool for communication and information dissemination within the PUPV campus, specifically targeting the College in Information Technology Engineering. The objective of this report is to explore the structure, functionality, and impact of this system in improving communication between the administration, faculty, and students. The report is organized into several key sections, each designed to contribute to a deeper understanding of the system and its significance. The first section serves as an introduction to the research, offering a general overview of the PUPVC site announcement system. In this section, we will provide essential background information on the system's development, its purpose, and its role in streamlining announcements, making communication more efficient, and ensuring that crucial information reaches the intended audiences in a timely manner. Announcement systems are important in schools and colleges because they help improve communication, safety, and efficiency. They allow important messages such as class update or event details to reach everyone on campus quickly and clearly. In emergencies like fire or lockdown, the system ensures everyone gets the necessary alerts fast, help to keep students and staff safe. And the PUPVC site announcement system is enhancing communication and accessibility in the university. The PUPVC site announcement system improves communication on campus by using modern technology to share important information quickly. It helps spread updates about events, schedule changes, or emergencies to everyone on campus, making it easier to students, staff, and faculty to inform real-time. The system helps keep everyone connected and makes communication more efficient. Following the introduction, the second section of the report delves into the problem statement and objectives. Here, we will outline the issues faced by the college in terms of communication before the implementation of the announcement system. We will also define the key objectives of the research, which include evaluating the effectiveness of the system, identifying its strengths, weaknesses, and assessing whether it meets the needs of both students and faculty members. Efficient communication, manual distribution of information, missed deadlines, and slow response to urgent issues all make it harder to share important campus-wide announcements. Poor communication system can delay message or make the unclear, while manual methods make sending individual emails or posting flyers take too long and can lead to mistakes. Missed deadlines can cause confusion, and slow responses to urgent situations can make problems worse. These issues prevent important information from reaching everyone on time, affecting the campus community's ability to stay informed and organized. Delays in updating information or sending urgent announcements can cause confusion and lead to missed opportunities. If information isn't updated quickly, people may rely on updated details and make mistakes. For example, if event times or location changes and updates aren't shared on time, people might show up at the wrong place. Similarly, when urgent messages are delayed, people may miss important updates or deadlines. In a fast-moving environment, it's important to update and share information quickly to keep everyone informed and avoid problems.
Go.
The announcement system uses text-to-speech and language processing technology to improve communication. It turns written text into spoken words and understands how to say them clearly by analyzing things like pronunciation, emphasize on words, and the meaning of the word. This helps make announcements easier to understand and better suited to the audience needs.
Oh.
And the goal of creating centralized announcement system for PUPBC site is to make communication faster and more efficient. This system will provide a single platform for clear and timely announcements, ensuring everyone gets the same information quickly. It will also improve campus safety by allowing urgent messages like emergency alerts to be sent out right away. This system offers several convenient features to simplify audio and announcement management. Users can play music with a single click, making it quick and easy to start audio playback. It also allows for recording audio for various purposes, such as creating announcements or messages. The system can instantly convert text to speech, enabling real-time spoken announcements. Additionally, users can schedule announcements to be played at a set times, ensuring timely delivery even when they are unavailable. Finally, the system makes it easy to manage playlists and recordings, allowing users to organize and access their audio content efficiently.
Go.
The developers use the Agile Scrum method to build the system because it has many benefits. It breaks the development process into smaller, focused periods called sprints, which help make quick process. This approach allows for early feedback from stakeholders, encouraging collaboration and ensuring the system meets user needs. Scrum focuses on learning from experience and making improvements along the way. During each sprint, the team works on the specific tasks, procedures, they work part of the product, and then gets feedback.
Go.
In Scrum, there are three main roles. The product owner defines what the system should do. The Scrum Master helps the team follow Scrum principles and removes obstacles. And the development team builds the system. The team also participates in regular meetings like sprint planning, daily stand-up, and sprint reviews to stay on track and improve. For the PUPBC site announcement system, the developers followed 6 steps. First, requirements gathering. They gathered and documented what the system should do based on feedback from users and stakeholders. Second one, design. They created a design for the system, choosing the right technology and making plans for how it would look and work. The third one is development and coding. The team wrote the code to build the system, creating the different parts that would work together. The fourth one is integration and testing. They tested the system and fix any bugs or issues to current it worked correctly. The fifth one is implementation and deployment. Once the system was tested, it was set up and made available for users. The last one is review. After the system was deployed, they checked how well it met the requirements and fixed any remaining issues to improve quality. This process helped ensure the system was built efficiently, works well, and met users' needs. The evaluation of the developed system in terms of reliability shows positive results. The system was rated highly in several key areas. For smooth operation, most respondents felt it worked well, with an average of 3.7 rated as good. The system also scored well in robustness and stability, with an average of 3.8, indicating it is reliable and stable. In terms of timely announcement, the system performed well, receiving a score of 3.7, which was also rated good. The system exceeds reliability expectation with an average score of 3.85, reflecting strong satisfaction with its performance. Similarly, for being highly dependable, it scored 3.85, rated as good. Overall, the system received an average score of 3.78, meaning it was rated good in terms of reliability. These results show the system is stable, dependable, and provides timely announcements, making it effective and easy to use for students, staff, and guests. The evaluation of the system's usability showed excellent results. For intuitive easy navigation, most respondents strongly agreed, giving a score of 4.2, rated excellent. In terms of easy features access, the system scored even higher with average of 4.7, also rated excellent. The logical organization of the system was rated highly as well, with a score of 4.25, rated excellent. For effective announcement management, it received a score of 4.2 again, rated excellent. Finally, the system met usability expectation with an average score of 4.35, rated excellent. The overall average score was 4.34, showing that the system is highly intuitive, easy to navigate, well organized, and meets user expectation, making it effective and satisfying for students, staff, and guests. The summary performance of the developed system shows that it received a satisfying rating from the respondents. The system's overall average rating was 4.50, which is considered good. This indicates that the system is effective. Specifically, it scored 4.29 for functionality, 4.47 for efficiency, and 4.30 for usability, all of which were rated as excellent. This system also received promising results on other areas with 3.86 for portability and 3.78 for reliability, indicating that while these are areas where not as strong functionality, efficiently, and usability, they still perform well. And that's all. Thank you.